Hi, thanks for choosing this video and welcome to our channel. This video is to discuss about HR and interview questions for experienced people. Along with that, we are going to see some sample answers for that. So please watch without skipping. And if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and support us. Let's get started. First question in every interview will be, tell me about yourself. This question will help the interviewer to know more about you and to judge you easily. So try to be smart and impress the interviewer at first itself. Let's see some points which you can use when you are trying to introduce yourself. First point, name and where you are from. Then your work experience and skills. Hobbies. If you have any achievements, you can include that too. So this is enough. And if they ask about your family background, you can tell about that too. Let's see one sample answer by experienced candidate. Hi, I am Deepa and I am from Chennai. I am currently working in XYZ company for 2 years and I have 5 years of total work experience in this field. My primary skill is .NET and open to learn new technologies. My hobbies are cooking and dancing. About my family, we are 4 members in our family. My father is a businessman, my mother is housewife and younger brother is studying college. Why are you planning to change your current job? For this question, you can tell the actual reason of your job change. If that is negative, like you face some issues there or you face some pressure there, that and all you can avoid. Because telling negative about your current job will create a bad impression on you. So try to avoid that. Let's see some sample answers for this question. I am planning to switch for career growth and wanted to learn new things and explore myself to give my best. Though I have learned a lot at my company, from my research about this opportunity, I can see that this position is a better fit for where I want to take my career. How did you get to know about this job position? For this, if you have applied through some job sites, then maybe you can tell that. Or if you have some friend referrals through that only you got to know means you can tell that. Let's see some sample answers for this. I am actively looking for jobs and got to know about this job position from the careers page of your company website as I have registered in it. My ex-colleague is working in this company and he told a lot about your company. He was the one who told me about this job opening also. Do you have any other offers with you? If you don't have any offer, then that's fine. If you have any offer means then it's up to you whether you can tell about that or not. If that is good package with and good company means maybe you can tell that. Let's see sample answer for this. No, I don't have any offers with me now as recently only I started looking for jobs. Yes, I have offer with one company, but I feel the position they offered is not what I'm looking for. So I'm searching for other jobs. Tell me about your roles and responsibilities of your current work. This is very important question. You have to be prepared for this question because on the spot you cannot answer like whatever you are doing daily, right? So be prepared for this question. It need not be that much detail, just a overall of whatever you are doing daily. Let's see one sample answer considering a software developer as an example. We will be assigned works based on agile methodology. My daily job roles and responsibilities will be requirement gathering, analysis, implementing and testing it, and finally deploying it. Also working on any production issues. What are your strengths and weakness? For strengths, you can tell like you are honest, your positive attitude, and you are very helpful to everyone. For weakness, you have to tell at least one. Don't say like I don't have any weakness because no one will be without any weakness. So better tell something, but that should not be that much negative thing. So let's see some sample answer for this. My greatest strength is I am a quick learner. Because of that, I have learned new technology easily in my project. Coming to my weakness, I am straightforward and I trust everyone easily. What is your greatest professional achievement? Achievement means it need not be that much big thing. You can tell according to you whatever you feel like you have achieved that. It can be very small thing also. Let's see one example for that. I am from .NET background, but in my projects I need to work on other technologies also. Initially I struggled a lot to work on them. So I have spent some extra time to learn about these technologies. Then I was able to work independently on other technologies also and got appreciated by my team lead. What do you know about our company? So before attending any interview, do some research about that company first. Like read where its headquarters is and how many employees are working there, like that. Whatever information you can gather, try to gather that. Let's see one sample example for that. I know that your company is one of the largest company in this industry. Your headquarters is in New York and there are 25,000 employees working in your company as per your website. That's why I was excited to apply for this job position. Why should we hire you? For this question, you have to justify yourself like you are the best fit for this position. You have to express about your potential and skills that are matching for this position. Let's see one sample answer. Honestly, I possess all the skills and experience that you are looking for. I am pretty confident that I am the best candidate for this job role. It's not just my background in the past projects, but also my people skills which will be applicable for this position. Are you a good team player? Of course, everyone wants to work in a team only, right? Then only we can be productive. So let's see one answer for this. I enjoy working in a team environment and I get along well with people, and also I believe only teamwork will make you more productive. Where do you see yourself from 5 years from now? For this question, you have to talk about your long-term goals. That is, in which position you want to be, whether in technical side or managerial side, like that, which position you want to be. We can see one sample answer for this. In 5 years from now, I see myself as a knowledgeable professional having an in-depth knowledge of the company and the industry and to be in a senior position in the company. Tell me about one stressful situation you faced in your project. You might have faced many stressful situations. In that you have to pick one which is in which your part is more. So also you have provided solution for that. Like that you can pick one and you can answer this. Let's see sample answer. I once had 3 large projects due in the same week and that was under a lot of pressure. However, because I created a schedule that detailed how I would break down each project into small assignments, I managed to complete all the 3 projects ahead of time and avoided unnecessary stress. In this way, I managed myself in stressful situations to stay motivated and productive. Any new technologies you learnt in last 6 months? For this, you can tell about any technology apart from your primary skill which you have used in your current project or in last project. So you can tell that. Let's see one sample answer for this. I am basically .NET developer and in my work I had to work on other technologies. So I have learnt AngularJS after my office hours. Would you lie for the company? For this question, everyone will have some different perspective of answers. So you can tell whether you want to lie for positive outcome or you will not lie at any situation. So you can tell according to that. Let's see one answer for this. I usually do not lie for personal or business goals because there is always an honorable way to succeed. I would do what is best for the company and try to effectively resolve any issues that may arise. Are you ready to work in shifts? You are ready means fine, but if you have some concerns means you cannot work on shifts, then better you tell that. Let's see one answer for this. I am ready to work in shifts as I think this job will be a right opportunity for my career growth, so I am ready for anything. I cannot work on shifts apart from general work hours due to family personal reasons, but during critical situations I can work. What is your expected salary? Before interview itself, prepare with one salary range which is according to your current salary package and your experience level. You can check in online websites or check with your senior colleagues. Also, your answer shouldn't be like you are that much money minded. So let's see one sample answer for this. Thank you for asking. I feel that an annual salary between X and Y lakhs is in line with the industry range and reflect my skills and experience level well. I am, however, flexible and open to hear about the company's compensation expectations for this position. Okay viewers, we came to end of this video. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Also you can check out the other videos in our channel. Please subscribe and support us. Thanks for watching.